Hi friends, today I am going to share with you a video related to chicken feeds. Now we are here in one nearby store. You can see there is many kind of chick feeds here, chicken feeds available. We can see some brands. Infinity, it's a brand of Supremo, and there is Integra, and you can see there is GMP, and there is some other products also, Supremo. There is two varieties. One is Infinity and another one is SMAXX. And there is some other products also. You can see ready mix, vortex mix. This is concentrate. There is SMAXX 2, SMAXX 3, 3.1. There is different price range. There is crack corn also. This is crack corn and corn grip. And here also there is different products. Special conditioner, INTEGRA, and there is stage grower. It's for 1 month to 4 months, and there is 4 months up maintenance, and there is food for breeder. Now I am going to share with you related to packet foods. Mainly packet foods. It's coming Thunderbird brand. This is for babies. Date start from day 1 from 1 month. So once chicks hatch now, from the day 1 you can give this kind of feeds. This is packet 1, and there is a loose one also there. I will show you. Now we can discuss about the feeds coming in package. So this is one of the best brand here, Thunderbird. It's written here, Thunderbird baby stage booster crumble is highly recommended for game birds from day old to 1 month. So this is one of the best product giving for chicks, newborn chicks. Next stage you can give this one. This is the next product, stage developer. This is starting from 1 to 4 months. We can feed this until 4 months. See, this one also one of the quality product. It's from Thunderbird, and from 4 months now you can give this one. This is +4, this product. It stage developer 4+. See, this is also from Thunderbird. And there is a stage 7 months up, high action. This is also it's a ready mix high protein maintenance feed. This brand is SAGUPAAN. It's from SAGUPAAN, this product. This is also a recommended brand for 7 months old chicken. And there is one more product, maintenance. It's from Thunderbird. ENERTONE. This one is recommended for coke, for the muscle developments. These all are export quality, you can see. And this is highly recommended brand available in the market, Philippines market. Now we can go to the loose products. This is some loose products already I shown the very beginning. This is special conditioner, only 33 pesos. You can see there is some mix of grains. And this one is a product from INTEGRA, INTEGRA. This is normally giving to hen. And there is a GMP2. It's a product from 1 month to 4 months. Only 31 pesos. And there is 4 months and up maintenance. This is also from GMP, Action Plus Technology. See. And there is one more from GMP. This is breeder. The chicks need to give eggs now, and also for breeding. This one is highly recommended. And SMAXX. There is a different SMAXX. This is for 29, other one is 30 pesos. And there is one more SMAXX too, 32 pesos. And there is one Infinity product, Concentrate 26. VORTEX mix. And normally this one is giving for Coke ready mix. This is a ready mix. And there is some other products, it's related to pork, so we are not going there. This one is a small pieces of cones, and there is also cracks. Excuse me, this one is for what kind of?
This one for chicken only.
Yeah, I mean which age chickens this one is giving?
One year, 9 months to 7 months.
What is the difference of this SMAXX 3.13 to
This one, the difference is one ingredients. Only one ingredients.
Nah, this one. Yeah, okay. For this one?
This one for
No, difference means SMAXX 3.1 and 3, and there is price difference. Why it's?
yes,
Why?
by one ingredients.
This is more quality.
All quality.
This is giving to male chicken or female chicken?
Female.
Both.
Male.
Both we are giving. Okay. And what about this?
This
3000.
one, just like this.
Same like this.
The
Yeah.
brand is
Different brand only.
different brand.
Okay. This crack corn,
Crack corn, chicken meal.
chicken meal.
Yeah.
And this one
This one.
also chicken meal. Okay. This ready mix
Ready mix of the maintenance.
maintenance for male chickens. Nah. Vortex.
Vortex. Yes. Same.
It's almost
Or
same.
ordinary.
It's ordinary. This one is
Special.
special.
Yes.
This is the only difference. Okay. And I want to know about the special conditioner. This one
For fighting.
for fighting chickens. Ah, okay. There is one customer. So these are the products. Thanks for watching my video.